I had heard a lot about SIMS as one of the top B schools in India, and it was, in a way, my dream to come to SIMS in whatever capacity. So when I was selected as the director and I came and joined here on 1st of June 2009, my dreams were to a large extent fulfilled. I had already imbibed a top quality management institute where academics, placements and other activities were in full swing, and SIMS was doing exceedingly well in them. The foundations laid by the previous directors, that is Colonel Bala, Ranjit Mudolkar, Brigadier Chakraborty, had made sure that SIMS was known all over India. When I joined, of course, I felt that not only must I continue with the same traditions that had been established, but to take it a notch higher and see that SIMS and SIMS students do even better. So therefore, while the focus was on academics and other activities, I tried to bring in a little more emphasis. I tried to put in a little more emphasis and bring in a culture of research as well as participation in competitions. And for that, to help the students, we set up a research cell. We also started B school competitions like the Barcode and Orion. We started other activities like the 360-degree or MUN and TEDx, where students would get exposed to people from all walks of life and gain certain insights into other fields of activities. We also started a PGPM course, which was a full-time course for the ones who had missed their MBA but wanted to gain management knowledge. And that course has now been running for the last 8 years and doing exceedingly well again. Besides that, of course, SIMS continued with the NFCG that we are. We are a Center for Corporate Governance, and we conduct a lot of programs on behalf of National Foundation for Corporate Governance. We managed to get 2 consultancy projects from them, and those projects have now been accepted by the Ministry of Corporate Affairs, and the points or the recommendations made in those will also be incorporated. My focus was also to develop a culture of entrepreneurship amongst the students, and for that we conducted various other activities through the entrepreneurship cell that we have in SIMS. Seeing the quality of our work in this field, Department of Science and Technology has made SIMS a partner in entrepreneurship, and on their behalf we are conducting entrepreneurship development programs as well as entrepreneurship development camps. The entrepreneurship development program, again, the manner in which we were conducting it so influenced Department of Science and Technology that this year they allocated us one to be conducted exclusively for women entrepreneurs. I think we are the only institute which has been bestowed this honor of conducting it. SIMS is truly a home away from home for its students. While a B school does provide academic education, it is important that students are developed as leaders and as team players. SIMS therefore provides all possible facilities to help the students grow as better managers and as better leaders. In fact, in SIMS, we have all possible kinds of activities and events. As I say during the inaugural session, you name it and we have it, and if we don't and you come up with it, we will provide it. And that's exactly what has happened in SIMS. Every year, some new initiative has started, and now students have an option or a choice, given the number of events and activities that we have, to pick up and develop themselves. And these activities range from not only the academic or co-curricular activities, but in things like we have TEDx, we have MUN, we have a production house which has made this video, and we have cultural events and other activities. SIMS students therefore find SIMS a very interesting place because it gives them an opportunity to do what they want. It is also so nice to see that in the evenings we have a place designated near the girls' hostel for the students to get together and sit, and you find that it is always crowded and always there is some student or the other, including at night 2 o'clock or at 3 o'clock. SIMS culture has changed over the years. The focus is not just purely on academics but also on research and other activities, and this has really made a difference in the students, because we find now the companies that come for placements are picking up students in more numbers, are opening up other profiles to our students. The average package has also gone up, and more diverse companies are coming to us. Even in our rankings, SIMS is ranked amongst the top B schools and is recognized all over. This is visible from the number of candidates who apply under the open category or the industry sponsored category. For 30 seats, we have over 2,500 applicants, which is a ratio of 1:80, which is something which is very commendable.